Folks, let's talk about something every developer knows too well: the frustration of slow builds. You write the code, push a change, and then end up staring at a progress bar that feels endless. It's not just wasted time, it's lost energy. Depot was created to change that rhythm, guys. It gives you cloud builds that finish in a fraction of the usual time and still cost less to run. And recently, it has rolled out Remote Agent Sandboxes, a way to bring coding assistance into a secure cloud environment. My name is Daniel, and in this video, we'll walk through what Depot is and how these sandboxes fit into the bigger picture. We'll see why they are starting to make development feel smoother and more collaborative. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get into it. Alright folks, let's start with the basics. Depot began as a build acceleration platform. It helps teams run Docker builds and GitHub Actions dramatically faster, while also keeping costs lower than the standard runners. That foundation of speed and efficiency is still at the core of the product, but today the spotlight is on something new. This platform has introduced Remote Agent Sandboxes, guys, and this feature changes how development feels when you bring coding assistance into the workflow. Agents no longer need to run locally or in short-lived CI environments. With this thing, you get a persistent cloud sandbox that keeps your whole project state intact. Guys, that means your file system and installed tools stay exactly where you left them. Any in-progress changes are ready to be resumed whenever you log back in. Think of it less as spinning up a container and more as stepping into a dedicated workspace in the cloud. It's secure, it's consistent, and it's built for collaboration. This is what makes it more than a build service, folks. It's becoming the place where fast pipelines and intelligent agents finally come together in a way that feels natural. The traditional approach has developers constantly rebuilding their environments. Every time you start a new session, you reinstall dependencies or reconfigure tools and lose your previous context. Depot eliminates that friction entirely, guys. Instead, you get what feels like a permanent development machine. It lives in the cloud, but behaves like your local setup. The system is accessible from anywhere, letting multiple team members collaborate without conflicts. Security remains tight because everything runs in isolated containers. Let me walk you through how this actually works, guys. Today we're focusing on the new Cloud Code integration for secure development. Getting started with this service is quite straightforward. You can begin with either container build or accelerated GitHub workflows, depending on your needs. Once you create a project, there are two main approaches to using the platform effectively. Folks, the first approach centers on local builds through the CLI. Installation is simple, whether you're on macOS using Homebrew or Linux with their installation script. This approach lets developers harness this platform's power locally to dramatically accelerate Docker builds without changing their workflow. The second approach involves integrating with your existing CI/CD providers, guys. The system has built robust support for the tools teams already use. GitHub Actions integration stands out because you can replace standard runners with Depot ones. This change delivers up to 40% speed improvements while cutting costs by half. Guys, setup for GitHub Actions happens through adding special workflow steps to your YAML files. Other platforms work slightly differently but follow similar patterns. BuildKit and Circle CI integration works by replacing the Docker executor with a Depot endpoint. GitLab CI treats the service as a remote Docker daemon, while Jenkins uses their dedicated plugin. Folks, what makes this powerful is that all these integrations work within the same project ecosystem. The Cloud Code extension operates in this same unified environment. This creates a seamless experience between DevOps workflows and development powered by coding assistance. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now let's explore the Cloud Code Remote Agent Sandboxes functionality in detail. The dashboard immediately shows you real usage metrics that matter for planning. My friends, you'll see charts displaying workspace runtime over the last 30 days alongside daily usage patterns. This visibility helps teams track resources and plan capacity effectively. The All Sessions section gives you a comprehensive view of your active work. Each session displays a timestamp showing when it was last updated. The Remote button clearly indicates when work is happening in cloud workspaces. Folks, you can click into any project to see detailed information about when it started and resumed. This functionality showcases the key advantage that sets Remote Agent Sandboxes apart. Traditional containerized environments get destroyed after completion, losing all context and progress. Depot sandboxes preserve your entire file system, along with installed packages and project state between sessions. Guys, the benefits of this technology start with security and complete isolation. All code execution happens in a remote isolated container, with total separation from your local systems. This becomes critical for security-conscious teams, especially when working with unverified codes or experimental features that could pose risks. Persistent file systems represent the second major advantage, folks. Unlike traditional container environments that start fresh every time, these workspaces preserve state between sessions. You can stop working, close your laptop, and return the next day to find everything exactly as you left it. Git integration forms the third pillar of functionality, folks. Each sandbox comes with built-in support for all standard Git operations. You can clone repositories, create branches, and push updates directly from the workspace without additional configuration. Collaboration capabilities provide the fourth key benefit. Guys, multiple developers can work with the same session or create independent forks for experiments. Each approach maintains complete isolation, so team members never interfere with each other's work. Zero setup overhead rounds out the 5 main advantages. There's no need to install or configure development environments locally. Everything is ready for productive work in the cloud with all necessary tools and sandboxes pre-configured. When creating a new project, you get to choose your Amazon Web Services region, folks. You can select either the US or the EU based on your team's location and compliance requirements. You also specify how many gigabytes of storage the project needs and decide how many days to preserve cache between sessions. Folks, from a technical perspective, each Remote Agent Sandbox comes equipped with 2 CPUs and 4 gigabytes of RAM. This configuration handles most development tasks comfortably without performance bottlenecks. The persistent file system ensures your files remain available between sessions while running on Depot's AWS infrastructure for high availability. Integration with Claude's API happens through secure channels with proper authentication protocols. Guys, the pricing model bases costs on actual sessions rather than flat monthly fees. You only pay for time when the sandbox is actively processing your requests, making it economical compared to constantly running development instances. Depot provides a 7-day free trial, so you can test all capabilities, including Remote Agent Sandboxes. They also maintain comprehensive documentation with detailed step-by-step instructions for getting everything configured properly. So guys, after spending some time with Depot, it's clear this update makes development feel smoother. The remote sandboxes take away the pain of starting from scratch in every session. Instead, you step back into the same workspace with your tools, files, and changes already in place. That small shift saves time and helps teams stay focused on real work. Folks, what stands out to me is how natural it feels to combine speed with security. You still get the acceleration this service is known for, but now you can also work with coding agents in a safe cloud environment. So if you've been looking for a way to cut build times and still keep your workflow flexible, it is worth a try. What kind of development challenges is your team currently facing with Cloud Code or other assistants? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.